You need to understand that meme stocks have become their very own unique industry in the markets. And what we get every now and then in the markets, guys, is that we need to know where the euphoria lies within each industry and be able to capitalize when there's a quiet period, and also go ahead and capitalize when there is a euphoria period for everyone else. So what I'm telling you is what you need to be doing is you need to be paying attention to GME when no one else is paying attention to GME. By the time everyone is already talking about GME, by the time your neighbor's already asking you, hey, have you heard about GameStop? By the time Joe Rogan's talking about GameStop, by the time freaking, Andrew Tate is tweeting about GameStop, it is too damn late for you to be able to hop on board and make a load of money from GME. Now, mind you, myself, people in my community, we made money on the way up, we made money on the way down, okay? Both on AMC and GME.
And guys, I wouldn't go ahead and buy the sticker right now, but I would rather take a price in average, pricing in, averaging in type of strategy towards the sticker, because again, right, we don't know where the bottom is, but we know that another pop is inevitable. Now,
how you want to approach these stickers, guys, is you want to go ahead and you want to be accumulating when no one else is paying attention to these tickers. That's when you want to build a big, huge bag, and then when Roaring Kitty comes back and starts streaming again next year or the year after, you can go ahead and let these shares go. Because what you need to understand, my friends, is that you will not make any money doing the same thing everyone else is doing. If everyone's saying, oh, GME's doing this, or AMC's doing that, oh, there's a gamma squeeze, the hedge funds are a lot more organized. And I believe, honestly, guys, the one thing that the hedge funds have over the masses, I do believe that, I do understand that a lot of people think, oh, the hedge funds have a lot more money, Sam, the hedge funds are trillionaires, they can just go ahead and manipulate the markets like this and manipulate the market like that and this and that. But I think that the one thing that they actually have over retail, because I do believe that when you look at the number of people that tuned in for the Roaring Kitty stream, which were in the hundreds of thousands of people, right? If they each put in $1,000, right? We're now talking almost $250 million, right? $350 million, just like that, just off of that, right? And let's be honest, people there probably have a lot more than $1,000 each, okay? So it's not a capital issue, it is a organization issue, right? Unfortunately, guys, the retail traders are way too unorganized. There is not one single entity behind them saying, pump it, dump it, pump it, dump it.
I sold, pump it.
There's no single entity doing that on the retail end. However, the hedge funds do have that unity and kind of teamwork together where, this hedge fund can just make a couple calls and say, hey, you know what, could you help us out on this? And then we'll go to, and I know a lot of people are going to be like, oh, hedge funds have been losing money at hedge funds have been losing money at historic events, and hedge funds are losing money, and hedge funds are, bro, for every hedge fund that loses $1 million, you have 1 million retail traders losing hundreds of thousands of dollars. Okay, so stop telling me how hedge funds are losing money and hedge fund business is going out and how every single hedge fund is going to go extinct and that hedge funds are not going to be a thing anymore, because that's not what's happening. Also, for every single hedge fund that goes out of business, you have 10 more entering the industry. Okay, so hedge funds are going to manipulate the markets forever, and it's not your job to be a market martyr. I think so many people forget why they're trading. Are you trading to make money? Or are you trading to make a change and be the freaking stock market MLK? What is your goal? What is your goal when it comes to trading? And I'll tell you what your goal is if you're confused. Your goal is to make your family financially free. That's your goal. That's who you owe this to, okay? You don't owe it to Jimmy from StockTwits or Zach from freaking Discord or freaking this guy from Yahoo Finance. These people don't care about you, and you should not care about them either. What you need to understand is that you're trading to make money. That's what you're trading. You're trading to make money, which means you shouldn't care if GME is going up or GME is coming down. You need to be thinking about, How do I make money? GME's coming down, let's short it. GME's going up, let's buy calls or whatever, right? That's how you need to be trading. You need to be loyal to profits, not loyal to specific tickers. And I think that, with the modern age of retail traders, guys, people are confused, man. People are confused, because when I started trading 6 years ago, there was no such thing like this. There was no such thing like this, right? There was no such, unity and apes and keys and giraffes and shit like that. There was no such thing. Now, I'm not against retail traders unifying and going against the big dogs. I am in no shape or form against that. Mind you, myself, guys, I'm my dad doesn't own a hedge fund, okay? I used to wash dishes and make fries, bro. That's what I did. Okay, that's what I did. I used to wash dishes, make fries, save money, come to the stock market, lose money to these old heads too. That was me. I used to do that. So when I'm telling you these things, I'm telling you from a personal experience. I'm not telling you, hey, don't do this, don't do that, because I want my daddy's hedge fund to do well. I don't care. I don't care about them. If every single hedge fund burned down tomorrow, I'll be the first one to celebrate with you guys. But I'm so sick and tired of seeing people get fooled by clickbait thumbnails and also people just feeding you misinformation BS about why this company is going to have a short squeeze or that stock's going to have a short squeeze. A short squeeze, short squeeze, short squeeze, short squeeze, short squeeze. Learn how to trade. Learn how to trade. Forget about these massive 10x plays, 20x plays. The number one thing that changed my life, I'm telling you right now, the number one thing that changed my life, okay? My trading life, okay? Trading did change my life. I guess you could say the number one thing that changed my life. Say the number one thing that changed my life, which stemmed from changing my trading life, was learning how to properly take profits, was learning actually how to sell a stock, when to sell a stock, and not hold for a freaking million, gajillion, dillion dollars. So many of you got $100 in GME and you want it to turn into a gazillion tomorrow. So guess what happens? You ride the roller coaster all the way up. Oh no, it's 67. It went from $20 to 67. Well, I was holding for $1 billion, and now it's coming back down to $20. Learn how to take profits. I'm telling you this because I care about you. You have so many YouTubers here who are just feeding you nonsense because they want you to hit the thumbs up button. They don't want to hear. Here's the thing, and I'll tell you guys this too. If you've been following me for a while, you've realized how I've changed my narrative. I've changed how I approach YouTube now. I want to give you guys value. I want to change your life. I want to help you. Yeah, I want to help you. It's no longer me talking about, join my paid community, join this. I don't give a about none of that anymore because I make my money day trading, not selling you courses. Okay? So what I want you to understand, what I want you to fathom right now is, hey, all those guys that said it's going to go to $1 billion, it's going to go to a gazillion, whether it's Marca Bulls or it's this guy's uncle or that guy's uncle, or, it might go up, they just were engagement farming. It's called engagement farming. I do YouTube. I know this shit. Okay? I get it. You talk about stocks that people like. You say good things. If there's a bad thing, woohoo, right? And you keep talking about the good things. Oh, Roaring Kitty, isn't he cute? Oh, Roaring Kitty, screaming isn't he? Blah, blah, blah. People hit the thumbs up button. The video is shared out more. And that's it. So I'm here from behind the scenes telling you, stop believing this nonsense. Stop it. If retail goes long, you go short. If retail's selling and there's no one talking about GME, load the boat. Load the boat, hold the boat, then that's when you go diamond hands. Not when it's freaking up 300% in the previous week and you're like, no, we want 1,000, we want 1 million, we want 1 billion. It doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. It does not work like that. That's it. It is that simple. I don't know how else to tell you this. It doesn't work like that. So this is what you're going to do. When this dump comes, which is coming, okay, it's already began, right? It's already began. You already saw it today, down 16%. I don't know when this video is going to come out. It might come out next week. It might come out next month. Who the right? But the dump is going to come. GME is going to go through a phase where no one is going to be talking about GME, where it's just going to be going down and going down slowly, that slow bleeding phase. This is where you're going to grab your balls and you're going to go buy every day, buy every day, buy every day, buy every day. And you're going to average into GME. If you really care, if you really believe that the next short squeeze is going to happen, which I'm here to tell you it will, okay? Mind you, I'm a realist, okay? I'm not one of these monkeys or whatever they call themselves, right? I'm a realist. And I'm telling you, GME will once again come back. It will. Okay? Might not be this year, might not be next year, might not be the year after, but it will come back. That's it. That's it. Okay? It's that simple. It's that simple. Right? Now, if you want to know exactly what I'm buying and selling for free, I'll be giving you guys free stuff now. Free. Follow my Instagram. It's somewhere up there. Okay? It's somewhere up there. Also, check out the free Telegram group down below. Okay? I just dropped a 3-hour full 3 hours of me sitting on this chair going over every single thing that I've learned in the past 6 years that has turned me profitable for you. I did it for you because I love you. I want to see you succeed. Okay? And you know what? Don't hit the thumbs up button. Don't do it. Don't do it because I don't care. I don't care. That's right. That's called YouTube Sav move. All right? All right? Because I'm not your typical content creator. I don't care about this shit. I'm here to help the 50 people that watch this video. Okay? I got you. And you know what? The 50 people that do watch this video, comment the number 50 so I know you watched it till here. Okay? With that said, I love you. I believe in you. I wish you the best of luck, whether it's in trading or everyday life. Thank you for watching. Happiness in Trading. Your boy Sam from Top Trade Academy.